Check, 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 check. What's going on? Writing that screen up. Yo, oh guys, you fucking pour in here so fast. So, I literally just opened a long. Actually, I'm gonna do this right now. We're gonna take the long. I think we need to take the long. We're gonna take 0.15. Take a bottle of that. So immediately taking a long in the pre-market even. Reason being, we're at a significant level right now. I should actually be a bit stronger long, I believe. I'm actually gonna take another. Maybe. We got to play it a little careful. We got to play it a little careful. I'm in the pre-market. We might close it out right as the market opens. But the reality is I just drew out the levels and we
Congrats
just
on 900 followers,
dumped.
more to come.
Oh, nice. 900. Sweet. These are the monthly levels. So this is a really solid zone that we've already just bounced off of that first level. So it could go a little bit lower, but we should have a rally off of that. And that's kind of the range I'm looking at here right now. At the very least, we come back here, right? At the very least, we come back up to that. So it's pretty much a guaranteed win here. I'm compy trading now on Top Step 550K accounts. Pretty much a guarantee that we come back to 21. 21, right? Like this, right? Pretty much a guarantee, so we can do that. I'm gonna just take one on my personal too. Okay. We might enter a little bit more on here. Yeah, we'll enter a little bit more. And then I'm going to add to it if it breaks lower again. Buy limit. Buy limit. Like that. Okay. That's the trade for the day. Literally just fucking counter trend trading. I think they're doing a similar sort of bait thing that, by the way, we're in Milano now. So Maven Shorts just posted there's a second channel now. You guys should go follow that. It's just going to be the highlights of the stream, right? Yeah, so today hopefully we make some money. We don't blow the account. And, you know. And then we can give away some money in Milano. Need to make sure I freaking...
DJ X.
Nice music.
To start,
okay.
It's time to chill. Live first stop.
Indices been dropping like crazy. Yeah. Unfortunately, I took a long on the ES that got stopped out on this recent dump here. But so there's a reason why we want to be long here. It's Friday, and you've got your weekly here that we gained this zone, okay?
The cup is huge long.
So ideally, we want to hold that zone. So today we might have an insane rally, right? There's a good chance there's an insane rally back up to that zone, okay? Similar to what happened here, right? Right? New York's been pretty good for bullishness. Similar to what happened yesterday, right? Dumped down, rallied. I suspect something similar. But unless the weekly closes bearishly, because then we're probably in a downtrend again. If this week closed bearishly, it's going to be difficult for us. We're probably going to come pretty low again. We're going to retest these lows and maybe down here even. Check. Okay, good. Tea was fantastic. What tea? I've got some tea right now. Today we might have an insane rally. Yeah. Oh man. Some concerns about American debt. That's why it's crashing. Yeah, I don't buy any of that shit. Anytime there's news, it's all garbage. It doesn't do anything really. It just causes some fucking chaos and panic. Was the main consideration to say a zone is gained? It means it's closed within a zone. Yeah. Regained this, right? So we regained this zone, which means most likely we're going to be retesting these tops again, okay? This is a more likely setup, and this is what I took on a weekly level, and I actually got stopped. I actually got stopped out because I put a stop below here, right? But this is essentially the setup that they're shooting for right now to retarget these highs, right? So after you gain the zone, it usually targets the opposite side of this range. So you've got this zone, right, that you've just regained. So if you gain this zone, what's the logical thing that's going to happen next? Is you should test the other side of that zone, right? Because there's nothing in here but noise, right? So this is the origin of the move that brought you here, right? So if you regain that, then you have to retrack to that start of the move, okay? And we didn't do that yet. So that's what I'm betting on mostly. And then on top of that, it's Friday. And then to make sure that we are still okay, we need to not lose this level. So that means today it needs to rally up. And if it does not on the open, rally really, if it starts to rally, it's coming here, right? So that's the bet, is we're gonna have a really awesome ROI right now. And this is why I trade using weekly and monthly candles, is because you can shoot for these insane pulls, right? Off of basically nothing, right? So we hit the level, right? And most likely it might come down for another pull, right? We can get more orders filled. But the reality is the actual trade that you're looking for right now is this, right? So this is your fucking setup right now, right? That's your actual setup if you want to leave a runner. But today, I only care about getting up here, okay? Bling, 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 bling. What up, man? Where should the stop loss be? Generally, I don't use stop losses, but sometimes I do. So for that weekly trade, I've already been stopped out. I put my stop like here, right? Because this was invalidation, but it could still work fine, right? The issue is wicks often get you, and sometimes I put stop losses occasionally, and a lot of times when I put stop loss, it does get me still, right? That's why I don't like stop losses, but I did put an amount that I lost too much money that I wasn't comfortable with, so I closed, right? That's what it was, because I longed up here, right? After we gained, I longed up there shooting for the next level. But in the current trade, your stop is if we get a close below here, right? For the day's trade. So it's like something like this, right? Right? This is what we're shooting for, basically. Right? Mind you, I'm going to close it a little earlier, of course, because who gives a shit, right? But I believe we'll at least hit this. So we'll probably take some off here, and then we'll do. So we might do partials today. It's different every day. Basically, this would be your stop, right? This is kind of the trade setup in ideal sense. Am I giving away money today? Depends if we lose money or not. I'm just gonna take the trade. I'm just gonna take the trade, right? I'm not gonna cut this off. I'm gonna trade like I normally would. I'm pretty confident with the setup. But it is possible that I go into the negative, right? Perfectly fine close, right? Perfectly fine. See the hourly? Hourly's fine on that too. Rallied, right? So to me it looks great. Those closes look great. Still ideal sort of sense. It'll probably pedal around here a bit. We'll get some volatility on the open. I suspect it'll at least come up to here. And then by the end of the day, it'll come up here, right? That's my expectation. So I'm probably actually going to close it out here, right? Something like that. So we're... We'll add, I think it might hit another, hopefully. Generally, markets don't dump 2% and then another 2%, you know what I mean? It'd be crazy. Like, we would have a really bad day if it dumped another 2%, you know what I mean? So we're playing the odds here. Very, very good odds. Huge support here. Huge support. Come back to that level. At least this one. Bitcoin dumped. Of course. Am I alone? No, I'm with the team. They're in the other room. Yeah, Bitcoin dumped. I told you guys freaking yesterday. Literally yesterday. Or on my social media and everything, I told you. Told you this would all happen. Everything is fucking predictable. So predictable, man. I think we're gonna have another rally. We're gonna hit like 130 to 150-ish, right? I think it's gonna go up. But it'll depend on what the NASDAQ does this week, honestly. Actually, realistically, I could add even more, but we're just going to try to pull those last little orders. Maybe we'll put a little bit, another one here. So scale in real quick, right? So this is the zone, of course, right? You can just scale in if you want to do that. And then it'll increase your average entry. We'll do this. Buy one. See if we hit it. What's the level? 650. 650. 700. There we go. Let's see what we can do for passing top step too. I've got 5 accounts, so let's see. 2 of them are halfway done already. 2 of them are already halfway done. I just bought more is all. This one's 3,000. This one's 4,000 or something. I don't know. Let's see. This apartment doesn't have a view. Oh, it does. It's got a couple balconies on the other side. We're in the city, dude. There's not much of a view here. Hunter, I should be one lucky person to give away. So what we're gonna do is on the weekly videos, if you guys watch each video all the way through and then send me proof that you watched it all the way through to my Instagram, I'm gonna pick one person each week to get 100K from Maven. Every single week they'll get 100K from Maven, okay? What I wanna do is, I got 12 months, I wanna give away $1 million. And each of those accounts is gonna count for $500. Right? That's what they're worth, right? And then I'm also giving cash away. So I have to scale up, right? I'm gonna have to scale up because giving away like a few grand a week is not enough. I'm gonna have to give up a lot more. Next week, the next video will be posted tomorrow, I believe, something like that, this weekend. I'm not too concerned about this coming down at all yet. How long am I in Milan? Just the weekend, and then we're going to Rome. I was gonna go to Dubai, but that's getting canceled. There's too much traveling, man. And then I have to go to Cyprus. It's too much. To go to Dubai as well is too much. Yeah. And then we're staying in Cyprus for a month. What do I think of gold, man? I don't know why everyone trades gold. Everyone trades gold. It is such a boring asset. It's going up, that's what. Doesn't do anything, but all it does is go up, dude. Gold does nothing but go up. It's like if you want to just make money and have no skill, just buy gold. Go ahead. There you go. You're most likely to win every single time. Just buy at a random time and you're good. Like you literally have to have horrible risk management to lose trading gold. Right? Plot your levels, right? So here you go. Here's your zone. And then your zone on the top side. This is your range for gold for the day. You buy in the zone and then you sell it up there. That's it.
Don Lewis getting the job done. On the way now. Stuff
This is what gold's gonna do today, probably. I put the rod in the waist. We are Maven. Did we start that campaign? Did we do We Are Maven thing? Who the heck's saying that? No, we didn't. We Are Maven campaign. I wouldn't recommend coming to July. Yeah. Too hot. Yeah. How do you send proof? Instagram. I love you too from India. There's to me right now. There's basically two things that could happen on the open, right? One is the level's already been touched, okay? So that's why we pre-buy and then we add to it. So one, it just rockets up to this level and then down, okay? And then this, something like this, right? I don't know for sure yet. But one, it just goes immediately there. Two, it does this, okay? Three, there's like a 10% chance I'm wrong, right? And then it just goes down through it, right? I'd say a 10% chance. There's a 10% chance that I'm actually wrong, but a 90% chance that this gets hit before that, okay? How do I know that? Because that's my friggin' odds. That's my like literal odds, basically. I just don't know if they rocket it up or come here. So it's like 40% chance it goes here, 40% chance it goes here, then here, and then 20, I guess 20% chance it just goes straight down. Yeah. Won't it fill the gap at 20K? The gap. 20K, dude? You think it's coming down here? Like, it doesn't make sense, dude. You think today it's gonna come down here? It makes no sense. You know what I mean? Like, I don't care about tomorrow. I don't care about a month from now. I only care about the next move, this gap here, right? It makes no sense. The levels are here, right? Maybe it will fill this next week or next month, who cares, right? But the reality is we're in a current huge support monthly zone, okay? And even, I'm gonna draw one more here just in case, huh? This will be this is where I lose basically, okay? There might be one little dip below, okay? But I'm buying up this zone, okay? And I'm letting it ride to here. If hopefully I don't lose the top step to there. Wait, how deep is that? 573. I think I'll lose it honestly if I do. 573. Oh yeah, totally. I would totally blow the account. I would totally blow the account. Market's gonna retrace a bit. Only care about the next move. Totally. Yeah. We're gonna be in Paphos. In Cypress Burn. Yeah, I mean, like, why, if you're trading, why would you ever try to predict more than one step in advance? Like, it's easiest to only look at the next move, right? So I don't know why people try to say, hey, oh, Bitcoin, Bitcoin's going to go to 200K. Who cares what it goes to? Who cares? You know what I mean? Who cares if NASDAQ goes to 20K? You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. It's completely meaningless to you. We're day trading. Okay? If you want to invest, that's a different profession, right? We're day traders. That's what this channel is. We're day trading. So I only care about what is it gonna do in the next fucking hour. Okay? How's the trading going so far? Fantastic. How's Rexa? She's fine yet? She's in the other room, I think. We are buying today, of course. I can use the washroom before market open. I'll be right back. Shoplink? Shoplink. What up, pimps? Yeah, man. I feel I lost a good chunk of money on my investment account. Well, I longed the fucking top of ES, unfortunately. My long term, because it gained this, so I longed that, right? And then we lost here. So there's a decent chunk that came down, right? I was like down like, I let it have some room. Lost like 2% something like that, but it's leverage traded, of course, right? So large amounts for me. Phil? Yeah, Phil dig in there. Where's the rest of the game? They're in the other room. I don't know what they're doing. This is a big Airbnb this time. It's like a 4 bedroom. A couple of patios and yeah, a long top too. We all make mistakes, huh? It's annoying when you do lose, when you're actually like pretty good at this, because it's like you know exactly what you should be doing. Is this a real account? It's a real Maven account. It is not my personal. I do not have $100,000. No. Maven does though. Long time no see, just joined. What's up? I remember you, man. Northern Mexico. Kevin. What pair is this? Doesn't seem to fall. It's a NASDAQ, bro. What do you guys want to place a bet? Do you think it'll hit the... Can we do a poll? Who's watching right now on Maven Shorts? I did trade yesterday and I blew one of my accounts. So I bought 5 more. Can we do a poll? Let's do a poll on Kick. Maven Shorts, if you're here. Let's do a poll. Do you think on open it'll go below the low or it'll go straight up? So on open, is it gonna go here first or here first? Down into the teal or up into the blue? Red or blue? Blue or red? Which way? Which way on open? Can we get a poll going? Yeah, we figured as much as you're gonna piddle around here for a while. I think he's gonna dump, test the zone first, red first. Everyone thinks it's gonna go down, eh? I'm gonna say up because it's already close to the stop loss. Hey, there is no stop loss. Do you have a $5,000 instant funding account? Huh? Don't ask me dumb questions, man. You blew your $10 account? Shouldn't be trading with $10. It's pretty much impossible to do anything. I would say anything less than $1,000 is impossible to basically trade. Is there a poll going? There you go. Up or down? I'm gonna take my vote too. Everyone says up immediately, eh? But everyone typed in down. Y'all guys fucking, y'all don't even know what you want to do, eh? You don't even know what you think. You just say random shit. Down. See, everyone said down and then voted up. There we go. Okay. I'll take my vote too in a second. I'll take my vote too in a second. Most people think up, eh? And I'm talking about the first move, okay? The first move, okay? The very first move. We'll classify up as like anywhere in here, and we'll classify down as anywhere in here, okay? Okay. Let's see. Oh, this song sounds like it's gonna be good. Oh, that's sick. That's a sick beat. Okay, I'm gonna take my vote. Let's see what you guys voted. What's up, Bubs?
What up, Bubbaloo? How we doing?
We're in a long. I'm gonna vote up too. Okay, there's my vote.
Hey crew, what up? We're in gangster mode.
This is not gangster music at all.
Gangster to me. See Bad Ninja.
Pretty cool. It's a hard beat is what it is. So we're trading, today we're trading $750,000. Plus the Maven account. Hey Rex, good to see you.
Good to see you guys too. Thanks for showing up, everybody. We really appreciate it and we love it. It's very encouraging to this man. We don't give you guys credit. he's a shy potato, but he really appreciates it. Hey Libra! Yo, you're a Libra, I'm a Libra.
There you go.
Homies, let's go!
Hello,
Balance the
beautiful.
world, balance the world.
Up me. Oh, sorry.
So why is so huge this time?
What? Well, I bought 5 of the accounts I normally trade on one of these, and I bought 5 of them.
Big ones, big money.
So if I lose, it's like 20. It's like 25 grand minus.
That's not intense at all. Your back.
Yeah. My back. I'm like a gorilla, huh?
You want to have nice shoulders back. chest
I'm like a
up,
gorilla.
puff it up.
I'm like a gorilla.
Yeah. Maybe even tuck in your chair more. You do whatever you want there.
No, it's too close.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's true. It's
So
like
there's
a-
what's about it, 42%. So we took a poll. We took a poll. 64. Wait, let me refresh it. 60. So we're betting on what way it'll go on the exact open. Okay. Do you think it'll go towards the blue or towards the red on the first move it makes? We take a bet. We took a poll. Do you think it'll go up or do you think it'll go down? The very first move.
Up.
Up. Okay. Everyone thinks up. Let's go. We got 5 minutes and then it's gonna go up. Hopefully it just goes straight up. But we're in.
You know what?
we're-
Actually, you know what? I'm feeling like it's down. I'm being optimistic, saying it's gonna go up, but
Just optimism.
I'm optimistic. that-
Optimism in trading.
Yeah.
So we got one already going, and then we're gonna add to. So this is what we're doing. So
got
we
5
we,
minutes.
we ordered here, and then we're gonna add to it if it goes into this zone. And then we want it to come up here eventually. Okay. So I don't care if it goes up or down, as long as it doesn't stay down. I would ideally probably want it to just go boop right really quick, so I can get more money. But it's going all right actually already. So we'll see. If it starts to.
Zoom it into the camera. I wanna
You want me
see
to go even closer?
Yeah.
Boom. It's 5 minute now. It's 5 minute now.
That's in the 5 minute.
5 minute. Now this is the 1 minute. Yeah, of course I'm still alive. His market's not even open yet. Walks in without pants on.
Yo, he's still alive? Yes. I mean, technically they're like, European bathing suit over there, so.
Underwear.
You can make anything into a bathing suit. As long as, the good parts are covered, you're fine. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna go up.
So like when this says 600, times it by 5. That's what. So like what we're shooting for is like 4,000 times 5. What does I shoot for like 20 grand? Accounts. You see this? Huh? Win rate 100% on that one. Open P&L. So this is the total. Look.
Someone's feeling pump, pump, pump,
Yeah.
pump, 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 pump. 3 minutes, guys. Oh, 3 minutes.
We should take a screenshot of that.
Yeah, how is this not? This feels like it's. I feel like maybe every any kind of rap music is like gangster to me.
Yeah. Let me just post this for now. Leave it there for now. In case we want to use a screenshot for on Twitter later. Maven is the best. Gigawork is Gigaworker. Are you Emma?
Down then up.
I think.
See, I know that's how I feel. Like it's gonna
Down
go
then up.
down and then up quickly.
I mean that's kind of the ideal situation.
Is there a poll for that situation?
But
Oh, bitty bitty.
what we did the other day was like it hit our level here, and then on the open, it just like see it hit the level in the pre-market. So orange is the London, and the
Yeah.
green is the New York. So it just went fucking straight up immediately. So I'm betting the same sort of thing. I did the same thing 2 days ago, where we put orders here, but it just went up. So I think the same thing's gonna happen. I think it's just shoot straight up.
And that was, when was that?
2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah, it doesn't matter when it was.
Yes.
It's just, this one was yesterday. This is the one where I was right,
So
but I
it
still
does,
got
it goes
I still got
back.
murked. I still got murked.
So you might be right. It's gonna go down and then it's gonna shoot up. If it
Well, I
if
think
it's
it- I-
like,
I think
if
it
it's a
just-
2-day pattern.
No, there's nothing like that. Yeah, the market doesn't make patterns. Otherwise, bots would control them.
I guess this isn't science.
Yeah, there's no science to it.
No science. Science has you look for the pattern. I guess.
It would be impossible to be an algorithmic trader, because if there was an algorithm that worked, Goldman Sachs is using it and they're doing it better than you. You know what I mean? Like there's companies with trillions of dollars researching this shit, right? Trying to figure out, and like you're one person, there are 100 million people with $1 trillion, right? You know, they got you beat. So you can't follow a system. There's no system that works. You know what I'm saying? Booked $60. Thank you. Oh, there's the open.
Oh, what did it do? What did it do? I didn't watch.
But it hasn't done anything yet, really.
Oh.
Let's see. Let's go up, boy!
No. No. Up, down, uppity, up.
Okay, what did we classify as up? I think up is above here. Okay, up is gonna be to here. Okay, let's go. I guess does that count as up yet?
The second.
Does that count as up
I
yet?
thought you were just talking about the candle movement.
Oh, look at that, sir.
Ooh.
Close some. I only need fucking. I already made my money for the week. We're already at $800. You know what I mean?
Oh my.
Close some out.
Well, happy dates there. $800. Oy, oy, oy. You're gonna have to do a lot of talking.
Yeah.
A lot of talking. I don't know. I feel like that's almost now becoming like a little bit of. It's like partially humiliation for you.
This one, me to
You
go up.
have to go and you have to go and try to like speak with people and use your like. The best was like when you're like partial French. You're like English and French and you're just bastardizing it.
Yeah.
That was a
different
little bit
languages.
humiliating to the French. They're just like, oh, oh.
I've never done the copy trading before. This is pretty wild. Look at all that freaking numbers going. Purple
on.
rain. Guys, should I close it out at 1,000? Should I do 1,000? Yeah.
Trump will tariff Apple.
Okay, we're locked in at 7:30 right now. Go crazy. I want to get more than last week.
Right now we're at this one.
Yeah, this is the running equity. Yeah.
Okay.
We could close it right now and still win from last week. I think it was at 8:43. We're like literally the same amount as last week.
No, but you gotta click it at the right time.
We're gonna keep trading though, is the thing.
So it's 2 minutes past. Where are we at now?
I want to see if we can get 1,000. Coming down, there's no coming down. It's going up, boys. Yeah.
Oh, it is.
I want to get.
Okay,
I want to get
okay,
1,000.
I
I want to get 1,000. I'm just waiting for the 1,000 and then close it out.
How do you close? Just by clicking that?
Yeah.
Just X.
Yeah, it closes.
Gotta hit it fast enough. Hit it the right one. Oh!
I think
Oh,
honestly
here we
it's gonna go much higher, but
Yeah.
I might just fucking
Yeah, well,
close
look
it.
at the. We were at like 150 and now it's all the way. Yeah. Oh.
Trash talking, fucking nasty little freak.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, freaky baby. Alright, okay. Alright. Should I close it at 9:50? Should I not close it?
I don't know. We're looking pretty good.
960, 970, and
Oh, I can see where the addiction comes.
let's go,
I'm
bitch.
like,
Let's go, bitch.
Go, 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 go. Oh.
Right? It's fucking.
Oh, it's addicting.
It's
So I'm just
addicting.
like, look at it go. Look at it
Yeah,
go. Don't click it yet.
and
Don't-
that's fucking
don't
money
click it,
too.
Don't click it yet.
That's money too. That's money. All right. Come on, bitch.
Come on. Don't trash talk it. Oh.
There it is.
Ah!
Woo! Did you see that timing? I got 1,037 cents. That's it.
37 cents. Boom.
Quiet, Emma.
Shema, so be loud.
All right, guys, that's the end of the week for that account. I'm closing it at 1,000. That's how we're gonna leave it at.
Pump it.
Whoop.
Pump it,
Okay,
pump
pump
it.
this up.
Loud.
Pump this up.
Do you want to close that thing?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Actually.
A fucking amazing grinning face with starry eyes.
Grinning eyes with star eyes. What does that look like? What does a grinning face with starry eyes look like?
Order filled.
Okay, I'm closing that. Sweet. Daily P&O. It could still keep running, but I'm scared. So
Yeah.
the reality is, it's probably going to keep running up a
Just
little,
like a-
little bit higher. No, the thing I actually want to do is I'm close to passing on one of these, and you only have a consistency rule,
Yeah.
right? So
I
I'm
understand
like
that.
I'm like 2,000 away. So I want to do it on the next day. So I'm gonna do it on one more day, anyways. And I'm also super nervous about having 5 open, so I might just do that and scalp each day, and then take like 2 weeks to do it.
Have you had 5 open before?
Never. I only trade on the one. Usually.
Oh.
So, but that's pretty cool. That's 2,000. Let's take a screenshot of that. Account balance.
You have to go talk to people now.
Yeah.
And have a giant humiliation.
Okay, that's gonna go. That's gonna go even higher. Honestly, we could leave a little bit.
But what was the poll? Did we win? We went up?
Yeah, it went up. Of course, we were right.
I'm just verifying that you
Of course, we were right.
Yeah, obviously, because I said it.
Yeah. I'm gonna close. Oh yeah, those orders got closed too. Yeah, I just don't want to fuck it up with like actual orders now. I could leave this so much longer too, can't I? Should I? I'm gonna leave it for now and just see what happens. We're gonna watch it for another couple moments, guys.
Just a couple minutes.
Yeah, might as well watch it. How was that? Did you guys make some money today? There you go.
Don't forget to close the limit order.
The limit orders are all flattened too. Oh, I can close my personal account too.
Oh, good.
Nice. Some money on that one too. Nice. Okay, cool. If it comes back down, we might re-enter. Honest, I gotta let things run longer, honestly. That's where we went. It'll keep going. Of course, it'll keep going. I get too scared. I don't believe it's gonna go to my level all the time. I gotta get better at this. I'm only so good. But what I wanted to do is post the image on Twitter.
Yeah.
I want to see how many views things like that get. This is why I closed it on this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want to see if posting 5 guys on chat here. This is why I'm closing, right? I want to see how many views posting having
see the
like
stress for a big dog
5
or a lot.
accounts gets. So here you guys can see it in action. Okay, we're actually literally gonna. Can we edit this? Wait. No, wait.
Yes, it's good to manage your risk, not grinding.
Crop this. Crop that. Yeah, well, the reason I'm actually closing that early was because I wanted to post this and see. I'm doing a test to see for influencer purposes, right? To see, like, how engaging these posts are, right? So you guys can watch me literally make this post right now.
Ooh, choose right. Emojis are important.
Emojis are
so
important.
much.
I don't know.
Tag drum.
With the strut. Strut it, Emma. Strut it. You need a pen? Yeah. Okay, I got one. Marker? Yeah. You have a marker? Yeah.
This is what we're doing. We're literally creating content in front of you guys' face.
Don't forget to add hashtags.
Hashtags do nothing. Jesus. What's the total here? 2292 times 5.
Oh, you don't have to like a chicken Cheeto. Get it fast.
Typo on challenge.
Sweet. Okay, cool. Boom. Let's see how well that works. Now that I have just big numbers on there, I love testing new things here. Typo challenge. Hey, have you seen those? Type eraser. Ever play this?
No. Because I am a terrible typer. I'm a chicken typer.
Can't wait. Ready? Oh, Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
You have to do capitals too.
No.
And you
Oh, it's tight. It's looking tight. I can feel my hands getting antsy. Just
Yeah.
looking at this. You're starting so strong. What's happening? So many environments. Just
yeah. Woo! That's pretty good, actually. That's pretty fast.
47.
He is as fast as Maven payouts are.
Woohoo! Woo!
Woo!
Yeah, boys. Let's watch this a little bit longer. It does look like there's a little bit of a sell-off there, but hey, maybe
Come on, Johnny.
maybe they are playing it there.
Come on, Johnny.
Come on, Johnny.
Oh, Johnny.
Johnny!
Oh, Johnny.
I only missed by 1 word per minute. Dang.
Literally, my hands were actually just getting all like angsty. Like just the idea of that.
I gotta use my mechanical keyboard at home to be faster. 40 words per minute is average.
This was 47.
47, yeah.
Nice.
What's the, like the of a secretary, huh? It's like 80. No,
65 to 70 words per
Yeah.
minute. Ooh, I've seen it. 100 words per minute. Jeez.
I think we used to practice this in school.
Yeah.
Like not like classes, but like we would just play this as kids together because we like to be competitive. And I think we were placing around 65 or so, which is okay.
Just for you, starting with Mackenzie McKay.
Make a private race.
Make a private.
You guys want to race? Let's do it.
Oh, someone's feeling confident. They're like, yo, beat that, no big deal. I beat
Practice
that.
yourself. Create racetrack. Okay. Let's do it. Who's got the fastest? Can I type this in here? Who's here? Oh, nice. People are joining.
Go.
You ready to get fucking punked? How many people can we get in here? Is this the limit? Oh, who's here? Everyone, you gotta click join the race. So whoever's here, you gotta click join the race. Oh, look at that. It's actually coming down now. I think I just leave it for the day. Fuck it. I'm happy. Is that how many? Oh, Jesus, there's a lot of you in now. Okay, you guys ready to go? Change display format? No, we're gonna leave that, and that's what I'm used to.
Oh, that's even like a shorter one. Like that one's not as. The other one was like way bigger.
Yeah, this. We're gonna see how fast people can fucking type. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start it in a moment. Okay. We got 17
There's
people.
so many. That's awesome.
All right, you guys ready?
17 people feeling confident.
Okay, I'm gonna start. There's gonna be a slight delay on the video, so I'm gonna say I'm starting now, and then I'm gonna click in 2 seconds.
Let's go, guys.
Start race.
Start. Oh shit! Okay. Oh shit.
Oh, here, 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's 70. Oh, this person's 79. Okay. Oh, this person's confident. Look at this. Like, second person in there. They knew they were coming in. They knew they were coming in hot.
Oh, 81, dude! Look at these guys. That's 0.
What happened? What happened, guys?
81?
81.
I got 66 this time. This is pretty fucking good now. The last
Yeah,
one was difficult.
Yeah.
The last one was really
That
difficult.
one had capitals. There was like little things. This one's a lot shorter of a thing. 81. That's nuts. Who are you? Do you think someone's
It's the
not?
wind, yeah. Easy.
Easy. Yeah. Okay. So it's
Who has got 0?
Half of the team probably on their phone.
No, I feel like you type. Like I could definitely.
Third
type
place.
faster.
It's really cold here.
Yeah, I knew as soon as person second, they came in. I was like, they're confident as heck. They knew.
Yeah, look at
Like,
that.
I can easily type in 60 minutes.
It's basically an order of
minutes.
how fast people could type to enter. It's in order of how fast people could enter. Okay, guys, that's that. I'm gonna end the day there. Great day. I've got $1,000 to give away now. We're gonna be going out actually this evening. I think we're gonna go into town and see if we can talk to some random people on the street when it's darker and people might be dressed up going out for dinners and drinks and whatnot. So I think we might get some more fun people. So we're gonna try that. Okay. So we will live stream again, but it'll be in probably quite a few hours, maybe like 4 or 5 hours or something. Okay. 5, 6 hours, 7 or 8. I don't know. It's 4 p.m. now.
Yeah.
So we'll probably go out at like 8 or 9 or something.
Damn, right?
Probably. Some people are going out, right? People are normally going out that late, yeah. And then we'll do a couple hours and then be done. Should I long the freaking...
Are you coming back?
Am I coming? What do you mean?
No, they were asking if you are gonna live stream it, and yes,
I'm
he
gonna live
is
stream
gonna
it.
live stream it. But it's just gonna be in a couple hours, just
Yeah.
because we had an idea of like, let's try this situation here and try this, because
We're gonna go see if we can find some drunk people who are fun and interesting to communicate with.
this one's just maybe a little bit more entertaining.
Yeah, we're gonna do an entertaining one. So hopefully we can
We'll find some beautiful people.
ask them some silly questions or something. So if you guys got some funny things, by the way, go into the Discord. I've got a Dumb Money Hunter Discord here. You can chat in here if you have suggestions for the weekly episodes. Jack, nice, good to see you. Join this Discord. It's somewhere. I don't know. Link somewhere here. Invite people. Copy. Oops, wrong person. Oh, whoops. Anyways.
Good, we will stay tuned.
There you go, you can join that one. The trading let me see if we want to take more trades, huh? It might be wise to be long again. We could still sit here for a moment and just wait until the 4-hour close. See where the 4-hour close is. So what I think is gonna happen, because this seems to be like every fucking day, is it's gonna gain, right? Or fail to lose, right? It's gonna fail to lose this zone, okay? And then it's gonna come back down here, right? And then really fuck people, right? It'll fuck people somewhere, right? Maybe down here even. Doesn't have to go into that zone even. And then long back up, right? So it'll do something like this, right? It'll pull back. And then Operation Save the Weekly is in play still, right? We're trying to gain back this zone on the weekly. Should I should turn off the copy trading, right? And then still trade some of them. I should copy trade one of the trades and then still trade a couple of them here and there. I'm just worried about blowing all of them at once. You know what I mean? Always can do it for 4 hours. You have insider trader info. I doubt it.
Whoa. That's kind of rude.
Yeah. Am I going to Prague? Nope. Set up a Maven stall.
Stall?
You think I don't have enough luggage as is to carry around that shit?
Have they seen our luggage
It's
situation?
crazy. I have so much lighting gear and everything, and I haven't even been able to take it out because we've been bouncing from train to train.
Yeah. Or not just everywhere we go with all our luggage. Imagine if we're like a legit film crew though. That's even way worse. There's nothing.
Okay, guys, I'm closing out the stream here. Watch the 4-hour close. See what happens in the 4 hour. I still think we're gonna be coming up and try to save the day here, but they might do some belligerent shit. I'm closing it out. I might take some trades on my own, but not on the challenge account. Okay.
Give out Orange's face with tears of joy.
Nobody would understand. Nobody wants an orange. They wouldn't understand.
Give out oranges.
Hand out oranges to drunk people and like orange slices.
Be like, I have a
Good work,
gift
champ.
for you.
Good work, champ. Slap their ass. Football team. Good work. Get in there, sport.
Yeah, this is how you get arrested.
Orange slices. I got a bag of orange slices. Who wants some?
It's like having a bag of like hard-boiled eggs and be like, hey, you want some?
The last.
But, you know, like vitamin C might, you know, help the drunkenness.
Okay, boys. That's all. Bye.
Just keeps evaluating. How can I live with the fact that my hand wasn't on her stomach when we lost the baby? I don't got no one to turn to because everyone's dead in my life that was trying to raise me. Searching for someone to tell me who I really am. I don't know when I look in the mirror. Constantly dreading the day that
Thanks, guys.